And I think if it goes with another horse, because this horse is pink, it would really match with it. Okay, let's find the next one. I like that one because it does match, but it was this one. And luckily I don't have it. And again, this horse is pink, so it does not match with it. But I bet it will match in another horse. Okay, now we'll go to our pet. Now we're going to check out the pet. Okay. To the very bottom because it's the first pet. There we go. Here, details. I think maybe mango, maybe paradise, sunset. Okay, I'm going to call it sunset. Good. Yes! It has night vision! Yay! And on level 20 has lucky, so my pet quest will be even luckier. Oh, I love it! And it has eat, drink, sleep, sit, and roll hole. Wow, this is a lovely pet.